All right, so I'm changing out these A-core FlowTite valves. I was changing out my sink faucet, and when I reattached everything, I pulled ever so slightly on this wire and up where it attaches to the cold, up underneath the sink there, up there. It actually leaked right at the base of the sink. So, and it was because like this valve on up above on the other end was leaking. So reading online, I saw something that said no plumber in their right mind would attach these. I don't know, comments may say different later, but it was talking about swapping it out for the SharkBite valve, which I was a little fearful of. I hadn't done that, and I was afraid that it would leak, but it was actually pretty simple. And since someone said, hey, you're replacing it anyways, and I had plenty of line here, they actually said just cut it off at the base. So I got some PEX pipe cutters and I just cut it off. You can see how this one is shorter now than that one. And I'll do the same on the hot water here in a minute. Otherwise, I'm told in the other videos that you should just be able to screw this right here and pull on the line ever so gently. But these lines are behind behind your wall or in your floor or whatever. So don't pull too hard on them. But if you unscrew and pull, that should come off. So since you're trying to unscrew, cut this line first so you can twist it easy. But once that's the case, the SharkBite, you just push it right on. And then at that point, you can just put on the braided line. So matter of fact, because I had to pull so far with these old lines, I got, instead of just the 20-inch, I got the 30-inch as well. I'm going to see if I can do the 20-inch. And otherwise, I'll return the 30-inch when I'm done. But just turn the water main on, and this successfully worked. All I did was push down on it. Held the pipe up because when I was pushing down on it first, the pipe started going to the floor. So I pulled the pipe back up to where it was, pushed down on the, or held the pipe steady, and then pushed the SharkBite valve down on it. And everything was good. The really interesting part was when I turned the water on, there must be water going through the hot line and then through the faucet, and it was actually coming back down this line, the cold line. So even though this is the main, so that's actually just coming out of the faucet. So I was like, wait, how is there water coming out of there? And it has to be running through the faucet. So just a little FYI in case it happens to you. So good luck.